Welcome to our guide on streamlining device migrations and onboarding with Phonism. In this presentation, we'll explore how Phonism simplifies complex device migration processes and onboarding to deliver cost-effective and efficient solutions. The UCaaS market is experiencing unprecedented growth, projected to increase from $72 billion in 2023 to $223 billion by 2030. With a remarkable compound annual growth rate of 17.7%. By 2030, over 75% of companies are expected to adopt UCaaS solutions, highlighting the growing demand for scalable communication platforms. Despite this surge, inefficiencies in device onboarding remain a significant challenge. Studies show that 83% of users take over 30 minutes to onboard new users to cloud platforms, signaling a critical need for streamlined processes. Yet, only 5% of the market are currently leveraging automation to address this gap. Phonism provides an automated solution to reduce onboarding time, eliminate inefficiencies, and position businesses for success in this rapidly expanding market. Managing device migrations and onboarding new devices has become more challenging than ever. From the need for manual intervention to meeting security demands and integrating multiple tools, businesses face significant hurdles in managing connected devices. Additionally, limited compatibility and high costs further complicate the process. Phonism addresses these challenges head-on with an advanced automation platform. By reducing onboarding time and costs by 100 times, enhancing security through compliance lock, and expanding device compatibility, Phonism ensures a seamless and efficient device management experience. Migrating existing devices is made simple with Phonism. Using DHCP option 66, devices automatically fetch configuration files, connect to the Phonism cloud, and are provisioned remotely. This process ensures rapid deployment, compliance, and compatibility with cloud platforms. Your existing devices are able to go live in just a few steps. 1. Create your device records in Phonism by adding devices one by one or in bulk to the Phonism platform. 2. Device boots and gets redirected to Phonism. 3. Your device will reach out to Phonism and download the configuration files, provisioning remotely. 4. Device connects back to Phonism, enabling the ability to remotely factory reset it. The device also reprovisions, which will also apply all UCaaS platform-related ring-ready template settings to the device. 5. Admin factory resets devices via Phonism portal or API. 6. Devices will automatically boot and download the clean phone configuration files. 7. Your device is now live. Phonism offers two efficient ways to onboard new devices. Admins can point devices to Phonism using zero-touch provisioning or DHCP option 66. Phonism provides universal zero-touch provisioning, delivering fully automated, hands-free device provisioning without the need for manual intervention. Users follow simple steps to point a new device to Phonism using our recommended zero-touch provisioning method for seamless deployment. 1. Create your device records in Phonism by adding devices one by one or in bulk to the Phonism platform. 2. Device boots and gets redirected to Phonism. 3. Devices will automatically download the new phone configuration files. 4. Your device is now live. Alternatively, you can point new devices to Phonism using DHCP option 66. Here are the steps. 1. Create your device records in Phonism by adding devices one by one or in bulk to the Phonism platform. 2. Device boots and gets redirected to Phonism. 3. Your device will reach out to Phonism and download the configuration files, provisioning remotely. 4. Devices will automatically download the new phone configuration files. 5. Your device is now live. Let's take a real-world example. NP Dodge Realty needed a cost-effective solution to migrate to Zoom Phone without replacing their existing devices. Phonism's automation capabilities enabled a seamless migration, saving 92% of the cost and preserving their hardware investment. With Phonism, you can increase device options up to 5 times, reduce setup time and costs by 100 times, experience up to 95% reduction in labor costs, provision in seconds, all while safeguarding against security threats with Compliance Lock. Phonism empowers businesses to achieve faster, more reliable device migrations. Thank you for watching. Visit our website at phonism.com to explore case studies, ebooks, and videos, or to book a live demo with our team. Let Phonism help you simplify and optimize your device management processes.